Hi, Daniel Bianchini here, owner of DRB Digital, co-founder of Common Ground and a keen affiliate marketer. Over the years, I've run a number of successful affiliate marketing websites, but one thing has always frustrated me. That frustration was having to look through multiple tabs to see your data and being able to make a decision. It takes a lot of your time, and I know that I'm not the only one that's frustrated by this. So after scouring the internet for such a tool coming up empty, I decided to build one for myself and run it through Google Data Studio. The great thing about Google Data Studio is that it enables you to connect multiple data sources and combine this into a single location. No more having to look at multiple tabs to get the information that you need. After extensive use and feedback from a number of others in the market, I've decided to make this report available for sale on our website. A full of customizable 8-page report that's literally everything that you need to make decisions on your niche website whilst keeping track of costs. I'm going to run you through the report in just a second, showing you every page so that you can try and build it for yourself if you want, but you'll see how much effort it is to take and to put together. So let's dive in. The report, as you can see on the left-hand side here, you've got the overview, the Amazon report, Amazon products, ad publisher, Google Analytics, Google conversions, site performance, profit and loss, and overview. And out of the box, we provide you with both GBP and also dollars, so you can choose the report that you want and remove the others. The overview tab is basically a review of the affiliate dashboard in a single place. It's always great to get that view and the review in a single place here. So you've got business performance, and you've got your Amazon affiliate data with income coming across. Then you've got your publisher performance, whether it's AdSense, whether you're using Ezoic, whether you're using Mediavine, all populated into this dashboard here. And then you've got your website engagement performance. So you've got your impressions from Search Console, your visits from GA, publisher fees being brought in here from AdSense, which is also combined with Ezoic or Mediavine. You've got your click-through rates through to Amazon here, how many orders, and then obviously your revenue from Amazon as well, all in a single dashboard. It's fully editable, so you can see here that I can change the date range from this way to May, so I can see the updated version and my net profit and the website value here. You can then move into the next page, which is all about the Amazon Associates report. You can select the different countries. If you have multiple countries, you can choose multiple countries in here. If you've got multiple tracking IDs, you can choose multiple tracking IDs. Again, you can go back as far as you want, so you can check how much information is in here. You can really start to see all of this information in a single location, and you can start to see it on a lovely charts, beautifully designed. One good thing about this is you can start to see the categories, but you can start to dive into this information. So let's take sport and fitness. If we really want to see how many of these 289 orders and revenue that we made, then you can just start to dig in and start to see which products was really giving you the most information, the most revenue, which is super cool. Alongside that, you've got direct versus indirect. You've got revenue by device and seller, so you can start to see how much revenue Amazon's made, how much you've made. So it's really informative. You can then go into your products, so you can see the product performance and also the products that are returned, so that if you see consistent products that are being returned, then you can go back and maybe take these away from the website that you're working for. Then you have ad publisher data. So you can start to see here your ad publisher information and when that was coming through. So if we go back and we can start to really see the impact of the publisher data and how much I've got from AdSense or from Ezoic, and then the combined. And then you can start to see how it's all charted on a lovely chart here that gives you the revenue and ECPMs. And then you've got your publisher information, how much track sessions are being tracked by your publisher. So Ezoic in this instance, your average EPM publisher. Then you go down to analytics, and you've got everything that you really need to really understand what's going on your website. So sessions and combined revenue. So you can really see, look, as an increase in traffic has come as an increase in revenue, which has been fantastic to see. Best landing pages performance, including conversion rates, so how many people are clicking through to the Amazon pages, how much money am I making through AdSense and on which particular pages. You've got conversion rate information here. So you can see the sessions, how many goal completions I've had, what my goal conversion rate is, and how that really works out throughout the month or over a longer period. It's really up to you on all of these date ranges, fully customizable and editable by you. You can then look at your site performance. You've got your Google Search Console information. You can see how many impressions you've had over a period of time, how many clicks, all of then shown onto the chart. Then you've got your keyword performance. So how's your average performance being shown in Google Search Console? What sort of keywords are you ranking for? How many impressions? How many clicks from Google Analytics? Average position. So the number of keywords each term page is ranking for, the impressions, Google Analytics data, conversion rate data, all the information that you really need to know from a site performance perspective. And one of the most important things, but obviously not the last thing, is your profit and loss. So how much money are you spending? How much money are you making? I mean, what is the profit margins that you have? How much cash are you actually putting in, and how much are you getting back? So it's great to see this over a rolling 12-month period. You've got a net profit percentage here, rolling 12 months, and you can start to see that, okay, I'm making some losses in some places, but there's also some really positive gains. And then finally, you have this chart here, this table, which goes to show you everything from ad fees to AdSense, where you're spending your money, how much you're spending, and then you can start to see the profit on a monthly basis, but also as a grand total. And this is rolling over 12 months. And this is all fully customizable. So if once you've purchased the dashboard, is fully customizable. So you can completely go in here, edit it, change the titles, change the currency if you need to change currency to anything you want to. As you can see here, all of this information is available for you to change. If you want to change the date ranges and the period, so at the moment it's always default to the last month. Do you want to default to the month to date, this quarter, last year, all of this type of thing. If you want to then look at the previous period, so if you want to compare it, so some people want to just compare it year on year. At the moment it's set to previous period, but you can change this to anything you want. You have fixed, you have previous year, you got none, you got advanced, so you can start to set whether you want it over a 12 months, completely customizable once you have this report. And you can do anything you want. If you want to add more data to it, then obviously you can go ahead and add more data to it. It's absolutely everything you need here to understand your niche website, understand how much money it's costing you, how much money you're making, and where there are opportunities to move forward with. Alongside this, there is also training. So I've provided here with data and videos on how you get set up on this thing. So you get the report, you get access to this training. It's lifetime. So any updates, and there are updates coming on a regular basis, then you're going to get these updates. It's regularly going to be given to you. All you need to do is make the setup, go through the videos as I've outlined here, and then update the report on a regular basis. Just make a few changes to your analytics. Again, I provided you with everything you need, from GTM containers to goal templates to run-throughs on how to simply set this up, how to use the report. I've run through everything for you. It's the all-encompassing report that you need for your niche website. And if you're busy, like I am, then I just get my VA to upload my data every single week. And then the dashboard is automatically sent to me every single Monday morning that I can provide with get provided with the data that is what you need to move forward with. So that's the report, everything you need for your niche website. If you have any questions, then obviously hit me up on the comments below. If not, I'll see you in there.